Today we are going to start new chapter number 4, communication, e-commerce and outsourcing. In this chapter, we are going to discussing about meaning and functions and the process of communication, e-commerce and outsourcing. Part 29, introduction, meaning and definition of communication. Communication is a process of creating and sharing ideas, information, views, facts, feelings, etc. among the people to reach a common understanding. Communication is the key to the direction function of management. Interaction with others or communication is not only an activity consciously undertaken, but also a basic need for every living being. In order to express one's feelings and exchange of ideas, it becomes imperative to come into and remain in contact with others. Introduction. Nowadays, the competition in business has increased. In this age of competition, for the development of business, the factor like human resources have become important. Elements like high quality goods, low cost, prompt transportation of goods, and better services to customers have become important in business. The process of communication through proper means of communication has become essential for business units. E-commerce has come into existence for the transaction between units and with the customers. Further, outsourcing has also become the necessary for smooth operation of internal transaction of a business. The need for communication is increasing day by day, and everyone trying to make a more and more effective communication through different process. A good communication process is essential to survive in the business field, and the process of communication through proper means of communication has become essential for business unit. Nowadays e-commerce get more importance than the direct trading, and the transaction with business related activities. Outsourcing providing various facilities become necessary for the smooth operation of internal transaction of business are emerged as important process and techniques in the business field. Meaning and definition of communication. Communication means the imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. Otherwise, means of sending or receiving information such as telephone lines or computers, etc. Communication is the act of conveying meanings from one entity or group to another through the use of mutually understood signs, symbols, and other ways. The main steps inherent to all communications are the formation of communicative motivation or reason, message composition, and the formation of communicative motivation or reason, the message composition, message encoding, etc. The best definition of communication is the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. In simple words, it is a process of transmitting and sharing ideas, opinions, facts, values, etc. from one person to another or one organization to another. Communication is made of two Latin words, communis and communicare. That means to share common. Gradually, the meaning of communication has been changed and nowadays its meaning has become wider. The primitive man used non-verbal communication through signs and expression. In the initial stage of development of communication, people used different non-verbal communication signs and expressions. Communication through signs and actions and other expression. After that, language as dialects was used in communication. Languages and sub-languages was used in communication. As a result of the development of science and technology, with the help of language and science, communication has become faster and easy through various media of communication. Nowadays, we can communicate with different persons with different languages or with the help of different sign and through different medias of communication. Faster and easy through various medias of communication. Communication is a two-way process. It is the process of sending information from a source to the target, sender to the receiver. In this process, the sender first collects information in proper form and then send it via medium or channel. The receiver of information interprets the messages and responds. In communication, information, concept, emotions, feelings or instructions are exchanged between two or more person. In communication, information, we can share various information, concept, emotions and feelings or instruction are going to exchange from two people or by the group of people. In communication, when messages are transmitted through words, that is by use of language, it is known as verbal communication. We can communicate through different ways. One is verbal communication with the usage of a language. In verbal communication, information is in written or in oral form. Proper selection of words and their placement in the sentence is also important in verbal communication. Communication means sharing of various informations that must one to be in very clear. That's why proper selection of words and their placement in the sentence is also important in a verbal communication. Thus, specific meaning is extracted from the sentence. Keep it short and sweet. So, in verbal communication, we want to keep it a short and sweet. It is very simple and desirable to hear. Keep it short and sweet principle should be followed while creating a message. The message should be short and easy to understand. Avoid the confusion in this communication process while we are using verbal communication. Words and sentences must be very clear and the meaning one to easy to understand. When communication process of passing information is attempted without using words, it is known as non-verbal communication. In this type of communication, information is exchanged through signals, physical expressions, gestures means actions, postures means different positions of body or action. Facial and eye expressions are and in artistic way in a given way, that is music, singing, dance, sculpture, picture, drawings, maps, cannon, salute, siren, etc. With this way, we can communicate through non-verbal communication. Communication is divided into verbal and non-verbal, and we can select which one is more feasible to us and only the objective to convey our messages to them. Definition of communication. The communication means the entire process of creating required understanding in the mind of another person. The communication is a process through which exchange of thoughts or intentions take place through language or terms which each other can understand. The entire process of creating necessary understanding about information in other person's mind is called communication. In simple language, communication means exchange of written or oral information. The process of sending information and understanding from one person to another means communication. The process of creating necessary understanding in another person's mind is known as communication. Definition of communication. Communication means exchange of thoughts, opinion and information through speech, writing or signs. Communication means a process of exchange of information among people regarding knowledge, concept, understanding, emotions, feelings and opinions. The sender selects proper medium which affect the receiver, and as a result his/her behavior is changed and a relationship with him/her is established and maintain. In other way, communication means the process of including our thoughts into others' mind. While defining communication, Newman and Summer informed that communication means exchange of facts, thoughts, opinion, or feeling between two persons. According to Heyman, communication is the process of exchange of thought and the process of explaining one's thought to other persons. Thus, when one person gives information to another person, it is called reporting but not communication. But when other persons hears information and understand, it is called communication. Though information may be sent through signs, if another person understands the same, it is said to be communication. In short, exchange of information and its understanding is called communication.